Okay, Year 12, I'm just going to go over some of the questions from, uh, from exercise 50, I think it was 505. Let's have a look. There are two questions at the end that I didn't, 12. Yeah. Now, you would have noticed if you have watched the video that the questions that I did the answers for came from on the video came from a different exercise. I came from exercise 8. That's because they're exactly the same questions, but from a different textbook, the old textbook. But they didn't change any of the questions. I think they changed the name of one or two people, but they didn't change the actual questions too much. What you'll notice though is that I did to about question 20, and I want to have a look at these two questions here, questions 24 and 25. Now, the reason why they have the tables is because people have difficulty with the formula. So I'm just going to do part B of this. So, I'll do two parts. Use the table of future values, interest factors on page 536 to find the interest factor for $1 over 9 years at 8%. So this is 24, a $1 at 9 years, 8%. So I have to go back to the table. It's a long way back. And here it is. So 9 years, 8%, 9 years, 8%, there it is. 1.990, 1.990. Let's hope I don't forget this like I did in the previous examples. So here we go. So the answer was, the amount was 1.9990. Then it says, prove that this is correct. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the compound interest formula. And what's my investment? $1 times 1 plus 8%, so 8 over 100 to the 9. Better get my calculator out. I think it's on the desktop. There we go. So, and I'm going to write this as 1 times 1.0008 to the 9. 1 times 1.08 to the power of 9. And I'm going to write all that in because 1.9990 04627, 04627. Because if I were to do this in an exam, I'd want them to know that this is a rounded version, and that's still a rounded version, but it's more decimal places because on my calculator. So when they do question 25, you're doing the same thing. 3 years at 15%. Future value is 3 years at 15%. Now, they don't tell you what dollar amount to make it, but you just make it for $1. So for 25, $1, 3 years, 15%. So the number I'm going to multiply by is 1, because I'm representing $1. 1 plus 15 over 100 to the power of 3. So that's going to be 1.15 to the power of 3. So 1 times 1.1, and I don't even need that 1 there, 1.5 to to the power of 3. Now, again, that's not the same because they've rounded it, but I'm going to write that answer first. So 1.520875. 1.520875. And what do they round it to? Which equals 1.5209. So that's how you do the last two.